The era of full truth interconnection is coming quietly, accelerating the integration of online and offline across time and space. As an important entrance of full truth interconnection, digital humans can promote a more comprehensive integration of online and offline, creating an immersive full truth experience interact with actionable connections. Since 2022, digital humans have shined in many application scenarios, especially in the opening performances of the Beijing Winter Olympics, weather broadcasts, and sign language commentary, making their user base continuously expand. Explosive events have promoted the digital human industry to be continuously deepened by users. Digital human form, technology and applications have received a lot of attention. The underlying elements that support the rapid development of the industry include the development of technology, new user needs, ecological improvement, and standard support. With the advent of Quansen Internet, what are the possibilities of digital human applications in the future, and what changes will occur in the technical route? Tencent Research Institute, Tencent Cloud Intelligence and Entrepreneurial Dark Horse cooperated to conduct in-depth research on dozens of companies engaged in digital human research and follow-up interviews to analyze the current status of industrial development, underlying driving forces, future directions and challenges, etc. Form the Digital Human Industry Development Trend Report, 2023, download the QR code at the end of the article. Analyzed from 10 different dimensions such as the value positioning of digital human beings, core technologies, industry applications, C-end development, and industrial agglomeration, and discovered 10 trends in industrial development. Trend 1. The B-end market for digital human manufacturing and operation services continues to expand, and services will be provided to a wider range of C-end users. There are differences in the value positioning and business models of various digital human beings. The ultimate service object of digital human is C-end users, and its application fields on the B-end continue to expand from movie animation to advertising marketing, e-commerce live broadcast, virtual idols and other fields. In the future, applications represented by virtual avatars have great potential. From the perspective of demand, digital human manufacturing and operation services continue to expand the field and scale in the B-end market, providing services to a wider range of C-end users, and the production method is also developing from PGC to UGC. In the 1980s, early hand-painted digital humans first appeared in the fields of film and animation. With the maturity of computer animation and motion capture technology in the early 21st century, content/IP digital humans were widely used in the film and television industry, mainly to enhance film and television. The experience effect of middle audiences, and then gradually promoted and applied in entertainment, marketing, cultural tourism, virtual idols and other scenarios. In recent years, with the maturity of AI-driven technology, functional service digital humans have emerged one after another, mainly used in industry service scenarios, such as financial digital human customer service, media digital population broadcasting, etc. The large-scale appearance of virtual avatar digital humans in virtual space is relatively late. The technology and products of virtual space are still under development, and the industry needs to be further improved. Such applications have great potential and are the incremental space for the digital human market. Trend 2. The comprehensive iteration of technology sets will drive the digital human to look like a human, and the production efficiency will continue to improve. Multi-technology promotes the appearance of digital human beings more like real people. The development of modeling technology promotes the further reduction of the production threshold, cost and cycle of ultra-realistic digital human beings. The iteration of physical simulation algorithms promotes the dynamic display of clothing to become more realistic, the iteration of rendering engines and the improvement of GPU computing power promote digital human beings. The picture is more refined and real-time. The optimization of the algorithm promotes the convenience of professional motion capture equipment, and the application potential of visual motion capture is greater at the C-end. The face capture technology is developing towards simpler hardware, more delicate expressions, and a more automated process. Trend 3. AI technology drives the multimodal interaction of digital humans to be more human-like, and gradually covers the entire process of digital humans. At present, digital humans still focus on text for language understanding, and the lip synchronization of motion synthesis is relatively perfect. 1. AI-driven digital human refers to digital human voice expressions, facial expressions and action forms, etc., which are calculated through deep learning models, and the results are driven in real time or offline, and rendered. The current mainstream method is to drive through text based on NLP capabilities. The essence is to use ASR NLP TTS and other AI technologies to perform closed-loop perception decision expression to drive digital human interaction. Docking with the digital human dialogue system, but the current ability of NLP in general scenarios needs to be further improved. 2. Computer vision, CV. At present, digital vocal lip synchronization technology is relatively perfect, and has been widely used in games, while other expressions and actions still need descriptive data or label-driven, and have not yet been intelligently synthesized. Expressions and actions are also driven by AI key directions for future development. The key direction of future AI technology is to realize multimodal perception input at the input end, improve multimodal interaction capabilities at the output end, comprehensively improve the expressiveness of digital humans, and transform from the current text-based interaction to semantic-based interaction. In particular, it is necessary to strengthen the perception and expression of human emotions. In addition to using technologies such as ASR NLP TTS to drive digital human interaction, AI technology is also applied in multiple links such as 2D digital human video generation, 3D digital human modeling, video driving, and physical simulation. Trend 4. Digital human technology is deeply integrated with technologies such as SLAM, 3D interaction, volumetric video, and spatial audio, rendering from local to cloud. As a way of 3D presentation, digital human will be integrated with other 3D technologies such as SLAM, instant location and map construction, volumetric video, and spatial audio in the future to further improve the interaction between digital human and real space. For example, the interaction between real people and digital humans in virtual/real spaces in live broadcast scenes, and the perception of digital humans on real spaces, etc. at the same time. Because digital humans have high requirements for rendering capabilities, cloud rendering will be an important direction in the future, which will promote cloud service providers from computing power, CPU, cloud services to rendering power, GPU, cloud services. However, cost is still a key obstacle to the popularization of cloud rendering, and a breakthrough is needed. Trend 5. Digital humans with thousands of lines and faces will become a new entry point for human-computer interaction, but the depth still needs to be explored. AI-driven digital humans use AI capabilities to establish connections between humans and big data, improve efficiency, meet human emotional communication needs, and improve user experience. It can be replaced by the soft landing of AI digital human, without changing the original business logic and business model. The cost of public acceptance is low, and a better user experience is provided. The future application scenarios are very extensive and can be combined with various fields. Service, scale and standardization. In terms of depth of application, as a digital asset of an enterprise, a digital human enhances the work of employees and has the attribute of productivity, which can further release productivity while reducing costs and increasing efficiency. In the future, digital people will be more deeply integrated according to the business characteristics and application scenarios of different industries, incubate digital employees with thousands of skills, and provide differentiated services. Trend 6. The emergence of UGC digital humans will accelerate and become an incremental space for future industries. In the next 1 to 2 years, the technical threshold and cost will drop rapidly, and there will be a more open creator ecology, richer UGC content and business models. UGC will become the incremental space for digital people, and it will also be the application of digital people on the seaside. Main mode of production. Trend 7. Digital humans are still dominated by 2D display devices, and 3D display devices have become a new solution in specific fields. The display carriers of the digital human include various terminal devices such as mobile phones, tablet computers, AR/VR glasses, smart large screens or offline all-in-one machines. 2D mainstream display devices such as PCs, mobile phones, smart large screens, and bank VTM machines are still the main carriers for digital human display. Digital human beings and 3D digital content play an important role in promoting the popularization of naked eye 3D, VR, AR and other 3D display devices. Especially in VR/AR devices, 6DoF interaction highlights the characteristics of digital humans, so it will become a new solution in specific fields, such as application scenarios such as online concerts, exhibitions and conferences in XR devices. Trend 8. Presence is an advanced stage of digital human development, which will be deeply coupled with application scenarios. Offline stage. Currently the digital human industry is in a period of rapid development. Offline rendering and non-interactive digital human are still the mainstream, and are widely used in digital marketing, entertainment and other fields. People are in the early stage of explosion in the virtual space. Online stage. With the rapid development and mass use of digital humans, users will soon enter the experience breakthrough stage. In this stage, the use of AI-driven to provide primary real-time interaction and real-time rendering technology will continue to break through the presence stage. Real-time interaction, more intelligent digital people, combined with a deeper industry understanding, brings more real immersion and greater value. Trend 9. Driven by the two wheels of art and technology, Beijing is expected to become a new industrial highland. As a technology product, digital people need talents in various aspects such as technology research and development, artificial intelligence, product design, operation, and financing environment. Therefore, regions with better internet development, such as Beijing, Hangzhou, Shanghai, Shenzhen and other internet and digital content highlands, will become an important settlement for the digital human industry. Among many factors, art and technology are the strongest driving forces. Beijing's art resources are relatively concentrated, with the Communication University of China, the Central Academy of Fine Arts leading art schools and expert resources. The advantages of the technology industry are prominent, and the number of internet companies is large. There are a large number of talents in technology research and development, AI algorithms, etc. At the same time, the government attaches great importance to the digital human industry, and is the first to issue a digital human development policy. Driven by industry and policies, it is expected to become a new highland for the digital human industry to focus on. Trend 10. Digital human copyright protection and industry compliance systems need to be constructed simultaneously to promote availability, reliability, knowability, and controllability. The digital human industry is still in the stage of rapid development in general, and development and survival are the focus and direction of enterprises. The intellectual property protection systems, such as digital human copyrights, design patents, and trademarks need to be improved urgently. Facing the future, digital humans will be accelerating iterations in several directions. First, the appearance is more refined, the image is more realistic, and the movements are more natural, that is, the skin looks better. After crossing the uncanny valley effect, people will feel that digital humans are no different from real people. Second, with the continuous improvement of AI technology, the multimodal perception and interaction capabilities of digital humans will be significantly improved, and digital humans may have memory and judgment in the future, making them more intelligent. Behavior and thinking tend to be closer to people, with an interesting soul. In addition, The accelerated development of the digital human industry also requires the further improvement of technical support systems such as rendering, motion capture and other industry development tools, and cloud rendering, so as to greatly improve production efficiency and effectively reduce production time and costs. At present, many technologies are approaching the critical point of commercialization and large-scale promotion, and the digital human industry is expected to enter a new stage of full truth interconnection. It may serve as our avatar and become an interactive entrance to the digital world, bringing us smarter and more immersive the presence experience.